guys, it's me, Rachel or Princess Jinjachu. There was a hair on my lens. I look like shit. This is quarantine life on my day off of my norm. I am writing a book for you. Not for you, but just, we've had this book forever. And it's almost the 10th anniversary for it, so yeah, that's what we've been doing. You wanna line my face? There we go. There we go. Doesn't make it any better. So, that's what's been going on. Let me know if you want me to start vlogs again. I don't know if it's not that I can or can't do. No, I do not work at Taco Bell, by the way. But, it's just been crazy. I've been very financially unstable. And that's been a struggle to try to do that and work a full-time job and try to pay bills during COVID. Still though, wash your hands, don't touch your face, stay 6 feet apart. You know, everything's starting to open up. For me, I'm not going into any stores and dine in and all that stuff yet. I will still probably grocery shop and stuff like that. Rarely, because my job's fortunate enough for me to allow me to take some food home and stuff like that. Ooh, we have corn. I'm hungry. But, yeah, that's kind of the gist of what's going on right now. What are you doing? Let me save my progress really quick before they start to want to do stuff. What you doing? I got a new phone. That's exciting. I love how I'm like, I'm going through financial troubles, but I got a new phone. No, this was the phone itself was under 100, brand new, not sponsored. It's the LG K51. I suggest you get it through your provider. Mine was, like I said, I look weird now because I look like I was going to sneeze. Oh my god, you turn on calculator with your own, it's a touchscreen, so what are you going to calculate? But got a new phone because my other one was cracked and it was just time. But I paid it off real quick. It's not like I'm making payments and adding more to my bill. So, I hate the pop socket. Don't get pop sockets at Dollar General, sorry. Unless you really can't afford an actual pop socket, like me. Say hi! She's been spoiled. She just what? Stop it. There's an Odie. Sundance is in the spare room, which is the only 2 clean rooms of the house. Yeah, I should be cleaning the house, you know, on my day off. No, I'm writing a book to hopefully get some more money around here. Here's the Sunny. Say hi. He's napping. He's an old man, so I just let him nap. It still stinks in here. But yeah, that's how life is right now. If you want me to do more vlogs, I definitely will for you guys. Can't guarantee hiccups still. Sorry. And then yes. You want to tell the viewers, like and subscribe? Comment? No, I'm kidding. I'm also going to do every day. That's shocking for us. Hopefully, every day I'm going to try to upload a, can't think, I'm hungry, Animal Crossing, Pocket Edition, like everything that I've done, so, really? Spoiled? So, I got like 45/7, oh my god, are you a spider? Holy shit, that's a spider. Oh, get back, get back, get back. Hold on. Crisis. We have a crisis. We have a crisis. I need a fly swatter. I need a fly swatter now. Okay. We're gonna... Sorry. Okay. Okay. It's not that I'm all for killing spiders. It's just, if they're in my house, that's a problem, and I don't feel comfortable trying to pick it up and putting it outside. Also of a million things, I finally got Mandy's book, or Midnight Wanderer, and you should go buy it on Amazon. It's only $10. I'm just looking at myself at the lens. It's only $10. Go get it and start reading it. I will read it soon. Like I said, I am in the mood to... Okay. I'm excited. It's a good and little couple sentences that I've read. So, that's what's going to go on. We're going to try to post our normal videos again for the most part. We haven't made any more, except that one day that you don't know about yet. God damn it, children. I have to clean your room every day. But, yeah. That's what's been going on. It's my spare room. It's like my kid room with my big old s'mores blanket. I think it looks huge on camera. That's what's been going on. Sorry there hasn't been a video every Friday like we promised. We're doing every other, so I have to find something, maybe this on Friday, and go from there. Because with this quarantine, we can't just hang out anymore with all of us together as a group and stuff, which I do got stuff, a big old Easter video that I want to do, but still really can't be with people and stuff like that. So until then, we are going to play it slow, and I'm going to try to do what we can and get books out and work a full-time. There you go. There's your hiccup for the day. Whew, I'm hungry. Oh God. Is this going to be part 2 of 47 hiccups? It wasn't 47. But yeah. Okay, guys. I'm going to let you go because I only got like 2 minutes left on this. So, love you guys. Stay safe out there. Bye.